Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sabahul khair habibi wa habibti, sabahul nur, sabahul ful, sabahul wards. Kif hal? Alhamdulillah khair. Iyyamir'an, al-an, yaumul arbi'a, January 6, 2020. Welcome back with me, Mualimah Tuti Wardani Bakwa SPD with biology subject. Our topic for today is about digestive system. Our scientific word today is digestive system. Kariri. Digestive system, digestive system, digestive system, digestive system. Kaman marwah, digestive system, sistem pencernaan. Our indicator today is the students are able to mention the kinds of organs of digestive system. Habibi wa habibti, Safus Samin, please open your science book, page on 104 until 118. Food is very important for human life as a source of energy and for build the human body. So the energy we get from the food you eat. The food we eat must be nutritious and balanced, like carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral, and vitamin. Digestive system is a process of changing food and absorb food in the form of nutrients needed by the body. Digestive system will also break down complex food molecules into simple molecules with the help of enzymes so that they are easily digested by the body. The process of digestive food in the human body can be divided into two types. The first, mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion is the process of changing food from large forms to small and fine forms. And then, chemical digestion is the process of changing food from complex substance into simple substance using enzyme. The human digestive system is composed of digestive tract, is mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus, and digestive glands, salivary glands, gastric glands, intestinal glands, liver, and pancreas. Digestive tract of food is tubules that receive food from outside and prepares it for absorption of the body by digestion process, with liquid enzyme that stretch from the mouth to the anus. Digestive tract in human consists of several organs starting from the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine or intestinum, large intestine or colon, and then the last is anus. In the mouth there are teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. The first teeth function to chew food so that food becomes smooth. This situation allows the digestive enzyme to digest food more quickly and efficiently. Teeth can be divided into four types: incisors or seri, canines or taring, front molars or geraham depan, and rear molars or geraham belakang. And then, in general, human teeth consist of three parts: tooth crown or corona, tooth neck or coelum, and tooth roots or radix. The second, tongue. The tongue serves to steal food in the mouth and help encourage food. The tongue also functions as a taste bud that can taste sweet, salty, bitter, or sour. Each taste of a substance that enters the oral cavity will be responded to by the tongue in different places. The location of each taste is different. The first, salty taste, the front edge of the tongue. The second, sweet taste, the tip of the tongue. Sour taste, side of the tongue. And the last, bitter taste, the back of the tongue or base of the tongue. Purring is a meeting of the respiratory tract between the nasal cavity and throat, and the digestive tract between the oral cavity and the esophagus. Next, esophagus is the connecting tubules between the oral cavity and the stomach. The esophagus serves as a passage for chewed food from the mouth to the stomach. The esophagus muscles can contract in a way pushing food into the stomach. This movement of the esophagus is called peristaltis. This movement occurs because the muscle that extend encircle the wall of the esophagus. Stomach or ventriculus is a large sac located to the left of the abdominal cavity where a number of digestive processes occur. The stomach consists of three parts. There are upper parts or cardiac, the rounded middle part or fundus, and the lower parts or pylorus. The small intestine or intestinum is the place for absorption of food essence and the place where the longest digestive process occurs. The small intestine consists of the duodenum, empty intestine or jejunum, and absorbent intestine or ileum. In the small intestine, there is a chemical digestion process involving various digestive enzymes. Carbohydrates are digested into glucose, fat digested into fatty acids and glycerol, and protein into amino acids. So, in the duodenum, the whole process of digestion of carbohydrate, fats, and protein is complete. Next, large intestine. Undigested food in the small intestine, for example, cellulose, along with mucus will go to the large intestine to become feces. In the large intestine, there is the Escherichia coli bacteria. This bacteria help in the process of decomposing food scraps into feces, apart from rotting food scraps. E. coli also produce vitamin K. Vitamin K plays an important role in the process of blood clotting. The remaining food in the large intestine contains a lot of water. Because the body needs water, most of the water is absorbed back into the large intestine. Reabsorption of water is an important function of the large intestine. The large intestine consists of the ascending part, which starts from the appendix, the horizontal part, the descending parts, and ends of the anus. In the large intestine, the stool is passed regularly and slowly to the rectum or intestinal shaft. The last, anus. Anus is a hole where feces are removed from the body. Before being removed through the anus, feces are accommodated in the rectum. When the stool is ready to be removed, the sphincter rectum muscle regulates the opening and closing of the anus. There are two sphincter muscles that make up the rectum. There are smooth muscle and stretch muscle. So, the process of defecation is carried out consciously by contracting the abdominal wall muscles, followed by loosening of the anal sphincter muscles and contracting the colon and rectum. As a result, the stool can be passed out of the anus. That's all our material for today. Next time we'll continue anymore with another material. Shukran for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.